What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can access the eBay Seller Hub. So I'll tell you two ways. The first way is to simply head over to the eBay's website and then log in with your account credentials. After that, on the right side you need to hover to my eBay and then you need to click on selling. After clicking on selling, this will open your Seller Hub in your eBay. So as you can see, you can just simply list an item, and these are all the Seller Hub practices that you can perform here in the Seller Hub. But if you want to access in another way, just simply open the new tab, type in eBay, and after that, you just simply need to type in .com/sh/ovw and then simply hit enter, and this will open your eBay seller's account. As you can see here, you have the option to start using the Seller Hub, so you can just access your Seller Hub from here. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.